welcome back here, and it's just a little update. Well, not really an update. I got something, and let me just look it up here for a second, and I will show you where it is. Let's see, I'll give you a hint. It's from HorizonHobby.com. You can go check out HorizonHobby.com and you can see what it is. It's either it's something that you can drive, and it's Horizon Hobby, so yeah, it's being delivered. It's supposed to be here Monday, because UPS ships on weekdays, not weekends. So it's now it's in Detroit. It's in Concord, Ontario, Canada, and so it's practically the sorting shell. That's where the sorting place, is for Canada and Ontario. So that's where a lot of our stuff goes before it comes to our house. And so if I go to maps here, I can go maps. Okay, let's go directions. Ontario. Take 2 hours, 170 kilometers from Concord all the way down to that one. That is 2 hours. So, but it's not going to be 2 hours, obviously. Probably gonna. The UPS truck usually comes around 10. But yeah, it depends where it all has to drop off, and because they're not going to come straight to my house, because they got to drop off other people's packages too. So yeah, I'll be here Monday, and I'll be able to record a bit of it. Actually, I will be able to record it. And also, let me just show you. I have an air horn here. An air horn, I can easily just take the top off of it, no problem. Let's do that. And this usually has a plastic thing in it, and I just took this apart just to see what the mechanism was, and then I lost the plastic part, so now the air horn doesn't work. But whatever. Still, I said all the gases, which probably aren't really best to breathe in. But yeah, just a sec. Let's put this on. Look at it. Okay, that is supposed to go up there. Yeah, I'm going to put that on there. Okay, there you go. So, stop there. So practically what it's doing, it's not even blowing the air horn because it doesn't have the plastic paper to blow it. So practically it's just blowing what's inside the can. And let me just see. I don't think you should breathe that in. But it smells like whatever's in the can. Just see. Okay, and also watch this. Do it for a while. Oh, after blowing it for a long time, this thing is freezing right now. It's like so cold. Look at the bottom of the can. Should spell hi. Hi. See, I can write on it. That's how cold it is. It gets really cold when you use it for a while. Don't know why. Just really cold. Like you press down and then all of a sudden, like cold. It's like freezing. I don't know why. It's fun though. I'm gonna get another one though. They're not that expensive. They're actually really cheap. In the dollar store you can get them. And I'm gonna use it for what I'm doing. I'm gonna use it for my RC track, because when I have races on it with like your friends or some people, I can use this as the starting. So ready, set, burp. So, excuse me. So yeah, let's hold it down for 10 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, this thing is freezing. I can write hi again. Second. I can't see that because of the light. Like it's that cold. I can write on the bottom of the can. That's insane. Hold down for 15 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's even. Nah, it's about the same. I think I held it at 15. It's running low. How's it finish off? See that? Oh, it's all gone. These things last a while, actually. I get to breathe it in though. See the wetness when I rubbed it off. It's actually, yeah. Don't breathe in that chemical. Anyways, guys, if you guys all enjoyed, as always, leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. See you guys all next time. Bye.